At Visiting Angels, caregiving is not just our profession, but it's our passion. And we know that you caregivers make all the magic happen. You understand that we have members in our community that need companionship, care, and support, and you aim to provide the very best care possible. We appreciate that you are dedicated to the continuous training and development each and every day to provide personalized care to fill each individual's needs, and like that you also enjoy having a bit of fun along the way. You are amazing at developing long-lasting and deeply meaningful connections because you are totally excellent focused and strive to go above and beyond in all that you do, down to the simplest of details, because you understand that the little touches are what matter most, and you exemplify highest character. You are dependable, trustworthy, and honest. You stand by your client through good times and bad, through thick and thin. You are loyal and strong. You are unwavering, faith-driven, and believe in a higher purpose that compels you to serve others with excellence, to provide mind-blowing customer service by knowing what's good, what is better, and what is the best. Always choosing the best because you are the best of the best and nothing less. And each and every one of you has all-in ownership. You are all in, all the time, and all about it. And that's what gives you your wings. You aim to brighten the home and better the health of our dear clients as you joyfully assist with the activities of daily living. And that's why we love you so very much. You are truly angels. You're visiting angels. We thank you for everything you do. We appreciate you.